When I'm in the workshop turning a piece of wood, my mind fires with all these mental images and colours. I find it emotional, I find it cathartic, I find it a sensory experience. You're just in the moment, at one with your art form. My name is Chris Fisher and I'm the blind woodturner. The reason I got started in woodturning was I wanted a vampire stake as a Halloween prop. I'm a huge horror film fan and I didn't just want to whittle a stick, so I set about learning how to make one. To get the vampire stake, it took weeks and weeks worth of work, but it was so worth it. After that first piece, I was completely hooked and obsessed with wood turning, so I started listening to hundreds of hours of YouTube tutorials. They taught me tools and techniques, sanding, finishing a piece, colouring. It's multifaceted as an art form, and I suppose you never stop learning. My wife, Nicola, and I, we initially started our own business making bespoke fountain pens and ballpoint pens, and it quickly snowballed into every other thing.
And you want a good polish on that one.
I'm using wood more as a canvas now, so the possibilities are limitless. I've always been a cheeky chap and love to talk. Hi everyone, I'm Chris Fisher RPT, the blind woodturner. So I started documenting my journey on YouTube for the reason of inspiring and motivating as many people as I could. I think a lot of people say, well, if you've got a blind guy here doing what he can do, I've no excuse. I'll pull the string taut to my chin and that will get my face in frame. And because my phone talks back to me, I know exactly what I'm doing.
Double tap to activate.
So this is a 1/2 inch bowl guide. I think it's hugely important for disabled people to remain as independent as they can. Hey Google, what's 8 inches in millimetres?
8 inches is 203.2 millimetres.
It's wonderful to be able to share my talent, my business, my products with the rest of the world. People more than likely see me for the first time on YouTube. Then they come to the website and they can see what we've got in the shop. Sales have been amazing. They've far exceeded expectation. YouTube also helps me book speaking engagements, demonstrations, workshops all over the country. And I've recently started to be exhibited in a local gallery in Ashbourne.
Stunning.
It's a dream come true. When I'm in the workshop, it's great therapy. I became blind very quickly at the end of 2008, and I started suffering debilitating, crippling anxiety. I had hot flushes, hallucinations, insomnia, muscle spasms. I sought counselling. And it took a while, but I realised that there was a life out there for me still. And going blind wasn't the end, it was just the start of a new journey. And the amount of times I've got my cane stuck in a drain on the floor or smashed things and being able to laugh about it, it's just part of life now. Woodturning has changed my life beyond recognition. It's given me an income, it's given me happiness and new friends. And the future is, pun intended, very bright.